Guys, here we got our announcement, right?
Yeah.
Weasel now go really there in most of the video. Again, not all videos, you know, but most. Because Weasel is a Christian. He more try listen, he more
you convert, you get messy,
yeah.
right? You don't want to walk the walk.
Yeah.
You get messy, so certain things when we get drawn to you get messy, it really right, you know. I know say I'm good to get whole heap of bashing for the way I choose to live my life, and you know the thing go with the church and them things still. So I just respect them things. I'm respecting them, I'm loving the people. You're not gonna see me in a certain thing where
like certain
I still I try to get them things out of me because when you can't see in the video, I just have been me and I just saw it flow, you get me.
So certain video, it's not gonna, you know, if it's like a simple clean video, it may come in, you see me, but nah, nothing too out of the way, you see me, so it's not gone favor, but most of the video them are just me, and probably somebody else too, probably, you see me, but they don't know we are the OG.
We're there same way.
Yeah.
But may the Lord be with you.
Peace. Welcome guys
to another Jam Rock Big
Cream Boss in the building.
Yahoo! Weasel.
Guys, today, hey, you see that video? This is something where everybody request. Jafro, Black Fox.
You get me, I say?
Yo, I love the video, so him tough. You know what I'm tough, you know, but boy, people request it hard. But we're not all up on the time, because a long time we don't want this. I want to bring it to you. You see me? So remember, like,
share,
and subscribe
to the video.
Hit that bell.
Bling.
Anytime I post, you get notified. You see me?
Ready?
Let's begin about now. Oh.
They told everybody, sir.
Sure, you remember the headphone, which you want with the fan. Hey, we remember what go on. You remember that? Open that in the phone.
Yeah, this here.
Jafro, 0116 inside, you get me? And I'm coming like,
Mama
wanna war again.
I see a man, mama.
Yeah.
War again. Mama wanna war again. Mama wanna war again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. 5, 6, 7.
Oh, next thing, if you want to pause, you can pause.
Just press this.
Yeah, just press it.
More of them. 8, 9, 10, and all of them. I grew up spitting and I was learning to flow, and I pray it's gonna take me much further than most. But before I never earned my first ever note, I was singing until it was burning my throat like whoa, 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 whoa. These days anything I say might just turn you to toast. I'll turn you into toast. I'll turn you to a ghost. You'd be lucky if I turn you to toast. I never bother to learn control. Why would I learn when I'm yearning to grow? It's just another way for me to get control. Try control me and I'll be burning your soul. I'm ready for the feud. If you want it, I'm on it now. Watch and learn how I murk with the flow. I'm like, man, wanna war again. Man wanna war again. Somebody start to them before I slaughter them like 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. 5, 6, 7, and more of them. 8, 9, 10, and all of them. I've been way too quiet, just walking a lot, but now I'm gripping the mic and I'm talking a lot. I'm a wolf on my mind and it's more than a lot, but thoughts on my mind that haunt me a lot. But the Lord's on my side, I'm more than alive. I'm the Lord of the mic, can't cause me to stop. I'm barging through, so the best thing to do when I step in the booth is to cordon it off. It's Jafro, I turn a grime MC to a guy that used to be a grime MC, but now that guy's not alive to MC, so why would an MC try against me? Come, very like, get so with the guy, steps on ready like, breakfast of other guys. Neck when it comes to the XP, I'm still.
Yo, dog. The man that rock down style. The man
that spit it. Oh, them say them music are like Afrobeat, UK, something under that, mixed with dance. The man that give a bad man flow from the man that mix every dance and everything. He might mix reggae night,
everything.
UK,
the reggae,
everything.
dance and everything.
In bad man.
Yo, rapping it.
When I spit bars, I'm a heavy grind fit. I'm like, man wanna war again. Man wanna war again. I'm like, man wanna war again. Man wanna war again. I'm like, 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. 5, 6, 7, and
8, 9, 10,
and all of them.
No man, you see him give the chorus.
Oh yeah.
You hear that?
And I ain't playing
reggae.
More. I'm smashing windows. If they don't let me through the door.
Cameraman now going on.
No, you don't wanna try. One punch line, that's your chin by your eye. Your nose in your throat, your teeth in your forehead, your back to the floor and your face to the sky. You're banana.
Man, left from reggae look while and I got dance and I bet you can hear him chopping the rap though.
I see cheese in the jar.
Planted, why am I not making him fry? If you dare try taking from a man's plate or he cuts his my food when his recipe's dry. Cause I know it's me that you adore. So babe, I give the recipe spice, energy high, pedigree sky. You prefer me as Optimus Rhyme, but I'm still here for this. And if you don't think I'm on this war thing, then you better think twice. Cause ain't nobody safe no more. And I ain't playing games no more. No, I'm smashing windows. I'm smashing windows. If they don't let me through the door. And that's why war is the wrong move. This energy that surrounds me, trust me, it could consume anything that's around me. That's why war is the wrong move. And just to keep on confused, wind on my arm like gummu, then I come through like Sanji. Alright.
Well, Sanji never use him anyway.
Don't say gummu and them come through like Sanji. Oh, I love him at that.
Yo, me just say I want beef.
I told my big beast family make sure there's none of them.
You know that true anime man that
Yo, beast family.
What? Can you say
true anime man?
Can you that true anime man this guy?
Yeah,
You realize they correct most of them think them in put in anime reference in it, you see me?
Everything we have like, you know, man,
yeah.
like Optimus
Big of
Prime,
yourself,
you know.
Jafro. We are anime man ourselves, you see me?
You
Big
know,
of yourself, okay?
Gomu!
19 savior, beast unleasher, anime watcher, manga reader, super saiyan.
Anime watcher.
Anime watcher,
Anime
Super
watcher.
Saiyan. And the greatest motherfucker for you.
Yo.
Sage mode so reaper.
Sage mode?
Jutsu breather. The way that I'm dropping these bars, man, I'm thinking I'm a sensu bean eater. Step on the mic and I'll mash this scene up like Namek after the war with Freezer. Cause war is the wrong move, truly. I might be a newbie, it still can't do me. I won't even need crew 9 eyes. This Jinchuriki will unleash the Kyubi and bring it only down to earth like King Boomy. Play my cards right.
Yo,
the man is that. Yo, that brother are
The man said him brother down to earth like King Boomy.
What do you mean?
Everybody will watch Avatar doing
King Boomy Earthbender.
Yo.
I'm an Earthbender.
And the man attitude, the man the way
I'm down to earth.
The man dog to yo, the man
Bad man.
Cause I come true like Uchiha Madara. I'm too far gone. Born the Kyubi, I let loose the 10 tails. I'm gassing all of my anime dogs up. Me, I'm like one punch man. If you come from man, I just need to punch a dog once. Or I'm coming like Gomu. It's game over when I grips the pen, then scribble a sick flow. Wait, no, it's gonna be a sick and a sick flow. Scribble a sick flow with a flick of the wrist, Joe. It's Jaguar throw. I deliver the big flows on a pistol. Actually sick of the sick flow. Hear man saying that the king of the I said I hear man saying that the king of the jungle. But Jafro's the one that's really the king. So keep
yeah, freestyle now. Yeah, freestyle.
His flow sound the same. I don't know who's this. Which flow shall I drop next, Joe? I kill him with this flow. Is a flow which really only the king knows. The heir apparent can only be Jafro. It's the one who's the king of the jungle. Cause being the king's all legit. It's the J.A.F.R. Oh like, it's a new flow. I said J.A.F.R. Hold up, yo, it's a remix flow. I said J.A.F.R. Oh like, it's a new flow. I said J.A.F.R. Yo, it's a remix flow. I'm like Shango, the thunder god. I'm unleashing fire and thunderbolts. They don't understand. I stand under God. I'm on a humble one. I'm Shango, the thunder god. I'm unleashing fire and thunderbolts. They don't understand. I stand under God. I'm on a humble one. You get me?
Yeah, man say.
Man, I spit it in a you. Man, I spit it, dog. What two of them? A two different songs.
Jafro. Yeah. Okay.
Man, I spit one more, dog.
What am I telling them? It's still Jafro, brother, still my co-brother. Stay on top with the flows that I drop. Come when I freak the spots that I'm known to rock. Thunderbolts from the thunder god. People pay homage. Good music is a necessity, cause Jafro's got it. Bear artists want Jafro logic, but can't walk the walk, but Jafro's trotted. So I tell them hush. If they don't hush it, I'm too quick to block it and too quick to stop it. You can't stop the thunder god. Popping a couple of shots off or shining like comets. Instrumental, pad and pencil. 3, 2, 1, I blast off like rockets. Always roll with the dog and I'm out for the cheese. My section's like, well, listen, Gromit. Born in Lewisham, that's the blue bar, and I'm a rep Leicester. The boys in blue brothers. I tell them like kamikaze done. We don't chat to the boys in blue brother, cause they pull up on a brother when he's unarmed brother, when they take a brother from another mother from a mother. And they pull up on a brother when he's on a brother. Don't cuss too tough, but they can suck their mothers. And the government too for that matter.
Yo, the man
matter, and the fact is they're trying to move like I'm chatting in all of our rats matters. Stuck in a gutter, we're trapped in a rat race. Most of us rats are the reason why their bank accounts have got the fast stacks and their dining tables got the fat platters. But I came to say today's a new day and you're looking at the face of a new James, at the face of a new James. And I came on a new wave, blazing with a new flame. And I came with a new wave. No, they don't know that I'm Shango. I am the Wonder Man, underdog, fond of God, but stand under God. I am not like these full moon MCs that run their gums about once a month.
You might say man is under God, but he stand under God.
Under God, yeah, not himself above.
Keeper with the
Nah,
keys
put
on the lock.
himself,
Number one, and I am the guy in his Jaguar, Golden Panther.
The guy in
Float
his
like a butterfly,
Jaguar.
sting like a Jafro. Got all the answers, not no gangster. Still shrink man down to a salamander. Strongest vibe, like say I'm the meteorite that fueled the whole of Wakanda. Came so conquered,
whole of
unleashed anger.
Wakanda.
Heartless, mine's at home in a glass jar. Under my eyes are where all of the bags are. That's car, I want bare bags on my bank card. So I spend late nights scribing bad bars. Man just trying to get rich like Mansa, Musa. I don't want to trap in a trap yard. Not all my family trees come mad far. I'm meant for way more than a trap door. Now you don't understand though. My family was slaves back then. Times when man weren't playing back then. Straight up shackling a chain back then. Ancestors felt the pain back then. Till they break back then. If you go back more, wars would go on for days back then. Died from less than a play back then. I really ain't trying to stay back then. See
Just want to step up there,
right now. Y'all were protecting my head right now. If a MC wanna try step right now, that's an MC that's dead right now. If a MC wanna try step right now, that's an MC that's
Dead right now.
Wallet might only have pence right now, but I'm blessed right now.
Man, wallet have pence right now.
So if you ain't up on things, control the center same way that Anderson can. In this matrix, I'm Thomas Anderson. Make music like Anderson Paak. I'm not dropping songs, man, I'm dropping bombs. So get in your Anderson shelter and take shelter. Cause when I poke you with music, it's gonna more than bang, bang. It's gonna more than boom. This one really is a black box freestyle. Jump on mic, then charcoal booth. Light skin black boy, black out the room. Only way to beat me in the class is if the boys stop them back out a two. If I lick man in the face with a punchline, chances are we might spat out a tooth. Don't know, it's Jafro.
Don't know, Jafro, yeah. Don't know, UK, yeah. Represent for Brixton, yeah. Yeah, man.
Box. Yo.
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 Yeah, brother, tough, lads.
Man think tough.
Tough.
Man rough.
He ain't lying.
Yes, him tell you what. Him say most of the freestyle, right?
Yeah.
And if I really freestyle him, I don't, and him not write nothing. Tough.
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 Get man
If I really freestyle, what am I do
Man
that?
tough, man tell you, man I
Yes,
give every genre.
Every genre, man, I slappy in the
The man say man bring his own style, him own flame.
Hey, man,
Yeah,
can I
yes,
really watch a lot of anime in that?
Yeah, man tell you, man give everything, brother.
Man.
The man watch, I need to show the man give the call.
Yeah, Matrix that
Yeah,
is
me I tell you. Wakanda. Wakanda forever.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction to Jafro Black Box. Well requested video. My people request this more than anything else than that. I'm telling you that. What do you the video for the Jafro video that.
Sorry when I just get this. You get me I say from me personally. Sorry when I never get this guy. It's up to the boss alone. Everything should out like as they come.
Two me tell you say say yo. Them say the two of together do it I say no.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, one them call.
I'm going on the comments still on the feed about the
Cause somebody even comment and say you love to see how two yard man them
remember
that.
that.
Yeah,
Remember that one,
remember.
you know.
So, peace out.
I'm an icon, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.